Hello and welcome to the introduction in the Email Marketing Passive Income course. In this short lecture, we will talk a little bit about what we are going to cover in this course, how is it structured, and how will this benefit you. So without no further ado, let's dive into the actual introduction. Why email marketing, first of all? This is a question that you are probably asking yourself right now as social media is rising, as different other types of marketing channel out there online are rising. Where here are a couple of reasons. It's one of the oldest method for communication online, and it is used by hundreds of millions of people every single day. It's still the online marketing method with the best return on investment, an average of $44 for each dollar spent wisely on email marketing. Having an email list of loyal subscribers can almost guarantee you instant success in any business related to your niche that you would want to start. That is, if you are doing email marketing correctly and if you have a very good relationship with your list of subscribers, obviously. What is email marketing used for? Now, a lot of people think that email marketing is used only for certain specific types of businesses or for only certain specific reasons for their businesses, okay? But it can be used in different ways, for multiple ways. Some people only use it for communication, others use it for promotions, but it has different applicabilities. Now, first of all, as the name states, email marketing is used to market a brand, product, services, or offer through email. Okay, basically you are using the email communication channel to market something to your audience, okay, to put something in the market. Most large companies out there use email marketing as a part of their marketing mix and integrated with other channels. However, there are cases when they use for specific campaigns only email marketing. In the case of smaller businesses, email marketing can be used as a main channel of marketing, sales, and communication. There are plenty examples of successful businesses built using solely email marketing. Now, what are we focusing on in this course? Well, in this course, we will explore how we can use email marketing to build passive income streams online. Basically, this will be let's say, the sole channel that we are going to use in order to build online income and passive online income, not just any type of online income. For this purpose, we have a couple of different options that we are going to see, like selling our own products through email marketing, selling digital products as affiliates. Basically, you sell something, you promote something for someone, and for every sale that you make, you earn a commission. Or we are going to promote CPA offers, which is a type of affiliate marketing as well. We will discover step by step what we need to do in order to build email marketing sales funnels that will help us to generate passive income. Okay, so the final purpose of our let's say new adventure in email marketing is to earn and to be able to generate passive income only using email marketing and email marketing sales funnels. Now, thank you very much for your attention. This was the introduction in this course, and we are looking forward to see you in our next lecture.